This video is about how to make a magic circle. So first I start by holding the starting yarn right here, holding it between my thumb and my two fingers. I roll it around and I make kind of an X in the front here. And then with these two fingers, I hold down right here. I grab my hook, go under the first one, and I grab this other one, and I kind of twist as I bring it up actually. And then I can let go of my fingers. And before I let go of these two fingers, I get my lead yarn, wrap it around the hook, and pull it through, making a chain. Now, what you have to do is you see where these two pieces of yarn are together? That is where you're going to be working. So now most patterns will call for a single or a double crochet. I'm going to do a single right there. So I went under, yarn it over, and pull through 2. So let's go ahead and do 7, just to have a little practice. So that's 3. That's 4. 5. 6. And 7. Now what you do is you grab your yarn, that's the little piece, and you pull it. You can let go of that. Fix your circle, pull it tighter if you need to, and then you join your circle with a slip stitch. So grab the top 2 loops of the very first single crochet you made. So that'll be right there. Put your hook in there and then make a slip knot. So yarn it over, pull it through, and pull it through. And there you have it, a magic circle turned into a fun little circle there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe.